In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up staff permissions so that they can or cannot access the Wallets app in the system. So what we're going to do is navigate over to Setup over here on the bottom left-hand side, and we're going to add a new staff member. So let's just go ahead, add a staff member and call him Jeev Stobbs, and it's going to be jeev@demo.com. And then I'm going to go ahead and give him permission to all of the parts of the system except for wallets. So for right now, I'm just going to remove all access that he has to the Wallets app. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Let's go ahead and give Jeev a password as well. So there we go. And I'm going to reset that password. And now I'm going to go ahead and log in as Jeev. So just putting in his email and logging in. All right, so the first thing you'll notice is that the Wallets app isn't there at all. So Jeev can't access the Wallets app. So he can't see our clients' accounts. He can't make withdrawals or deposits. He can't interact with those wallets at all. But perhaps I want him to have some access to the Wallets app. So let's navigate back to my area. And I'm still here in Jeev's user. So I'm going to navigate back down to those permissions and back down to the wallet permissions. And this time I'm just going to give him permission to the accounts so that he can view the accounts. All right, there we go. So there we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and save those changes, navigate back to Jeev's side. And you'll see now that he's got access to the Wallets app, but when I click in, he's only got access to the accounts. So he can view these accounts, but he can't make any actions on these accounts. He can view the activity and status, and he can download a statement as well if need be. But if you want to have someone who's in charge of making deposits into these accounts, well, you can do that as well. So we're going to navigate back to the admin area. And again, just going back to those permissions, scrolling down to the Wallets permissions, and I'm going to say that he is in control of deposits now. Again, I'm just going to save those changes, navigate back to his side, and now if he clicks into Betty's account, for example, you'll see that he's able to now deposit funds. So he can go ahead and make a deposit of $100 and just say $100 deposit and confirm that and send. But you can see why you might not want all of your staff users to have access to the Wallets functionality in the system. So that is how you can use staff permissions to limit staff access to the Wallets functionality in the system. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can do wallet-to-wallet transfers. I'll see you there.